Well, good morning, everyone, from Liberty, Kentucky, where we stopped off at the Village Restaurant. It is the oldest restaurant in Liberty, built in 1964. Were you even around then, Donna?
I was born then, yes.
Donna is with us, and Donna and her husband, John, own and operate the Village Restaurant. And everybody that we talk to in and around town, they're like, have you stopped at the Village Restaurant yet? I see why. Look at this food.
It's pretty good food. We do home cooking.
I can see that. Tell everybody what Jeremy is showing. Well, first off, if you kick off things with a little breakfast.
That's right. You got your breakfast, your country ham breakfast. You get your eggs, your potatoes, and your bread. And, of course, you have your jelly or whatever.
Look at that country ham. Oh, my
Then you go to lunch, and you have your ham club with homemade chips.
You told me I had to try it.
Yes, you have to try them.
Okay. My goodness.
Yes. Or you can have a Manhattan.
A Manhattan.
We have a side, and that's coleslaw. There goes with this, okay? And it is open-faced roast beef sandwich, which is all homemade. We peel our own potatoes and mash our potatoes. And
People don't cook like that anymore, Donna.
No, they don't. They
My
don't.
goodness.
It's all fast food, but we try to keep it family and home, like going to grandma's.
And you said I could even order this pie if I wanted.
You certainly can.
Like custom order?
Like custom ordered. Now, this one was custom ordered. It's a lemon. We always carry chocolate, coconut, and butterscotch. But you can order any kind that you want to. We have a chocolate coconut pie, which is really good, you know. So we have a custard pie, which is good.
It all looks amazing. Now, you have something else that has chocolate in it. And it was funny, when I walked in, I said to you, so you guys are known for your chocolate gravy? And somebody way behind me at the table goes, yes, ma'am, they sure are. Chocolate gravy, get us started. How do we make this?
You do your sugar.
Okay.
Okay. You do your flour.
All right.
Go ahead and whisk.
Okay.
Okay.
Told her she's going to have to help me in this cooking thing. Whisk that together.
And we're going to get
And
this
are we
over
going
here.
to tell people how much of each, or is that giving them too much information?
That's too much information.
Okay, got you.
Okay. So, well, you do 5 tablespoons of cocoa. I'll tell you that. And you don't do this bit, you know. You do this bit.
Heaping.
Okay? Yeah, you don't measure. Yeah.
Because you know me, I
Pretty
would have
much.
just turned it up and poured it in.
You knew how to do it, didn't you? Okay,
So-
and we put it in this because cocoa doesn't see. You can see how it gets lumpy in there, and you want it to be smooth.
So you mix all this together,
Uh-huh.
and then how do you make the gravy? Do you add milk?
You add 8 cups of milk to this. Yes. Okay. And now we're doing that right there. Now, I'm going to tell you that we do mix it all together, and then we're going to cook it. But that's one of the secrets. We're not going to tell you how to cook it.
Which means you have to come taste it at the Village
exactly right.
Restaurant.
That's what you have to do.
Come see Donna and John and all the wonderful folks here in Liberty and try the chocolate gravy, because you ain't getting the whole recipe. I'm DeAnn Stephens, out and about, but I'm about to have some. Back to you guys.